Dear God, thank you for this new day. Guide me, strengthen me, and help me to bring love, kindness, and peace to all I meet. May I trust in your plan and walk with faith, no matter what comes my way. Amen.
You know what? The best thing you learn from the worst time of your life is that you get to see the true colors of everyone around you. Sabi nga nila, sa panahon ng kasiyahan, ang dami mong kaibigan. Pero sa panahon ng kagipitan, sobrang swerte mo na kung may isang matira upang samahan kang lumaban. This situation will really teach you the real meaning of life. But do not be depressed if they refuses to help you. Do not be sad if they ignore you. Tumayo ka at gawing sandala ng Panginoon. And one day, you will be thankful to those who said no